大家好，欢迎收听唱歌学中文。Hi everyone, welcome to Sing and Learn Chinese. Today we are going through the lyrics for 短歌, which literally means short song. 短 means short and 歌 means song, so short song, 短歌. And because the title is short song and the focus of the song is the word short, 短, and the whole theme of the song is short, the song itself is short. So we've only got 4 lines, which is like, what is this? Alright, so basically this song has 21 characters and it's really short, so let's go through it. First line, 这首歌非常短, which means this song is very short. So 这 means this, 首 is a counter word that refers to song. So if you guys were here before, you've seen the previous lyrics explained videos, then you know that in Chinese, most nouns come with a counter word or a measure word. Some people call it one thing, some people call it the other thing. But basically what these words are they indicate the type of thing it is. So in English we have some of these. We've got a pair of scissors, we've got a flock of geese, we've got a something of something. In Chinese, this also happens, and the word that they use is often related to the type of object it is. So for example, if you use, if you're talking about something that's kind of long and narrow, you would use the word 条. So when you're talking about a road, you would say 一条路. Or if you're talking about a fish, which most fish are kind of long and narrow, 一条鱼. If you're talking about animals, it's often the counter word is 只. So if you're talking about a dog, it would be 一只狗. Or if you're talking about a bird, it would be 一只鸟. And so on and so forth. When you're talking about songs, the counter word for a song is 首. 这首歌, and then it's the same thing for a poem, for example. You would use the 首 as well. It would be 这首诗. So 这首歌 means this song, and then 非常短, 非常 means very. And if you want to break it down, 长 means common, ubiquitous. It's lots of things are like this or something. And then 非 means anti or not. So not common means very. It's extremely, it's uncommonly. 短 means short. So 这首歌非常短. Then 希望你会喜欢, second line. 希望 means wish or hope. 你 is you. And then 会 means will or able to, but will in this case, in this context. And then 喜欢 means like. So hope you like it, basically. And then 21个字. 21 means 21. And Chinese numbers are really convenient. Basically, you learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then everything after that is a combination of all of these words that you've already learned until you get to 100,000, 10,000, and so on and so forth. But if you know 1 through 10 in Chinese, you can say all of the numbers up to 999. And that's how this works. So 2 is 2, 10 is 10, E is 1. So 2 tens is 20, and then you've got 1, so 21. It's much more convenient than in English. We've got after 10, you've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and a lot of people are like, why? Why do you do this to us English learners? It's very annoying. I don't know, that's English. But in Chinese, it's much more logical. So 2 tens is a 20, 21 is 21, 2, 10, 1. And then 21个字, and then 个 is another counter word. And we've spoken before about how 个 is one of the most common Chinese counter words there is. So if you ever have to talk about something and you don't know what the proper counter word is, you could probably substitute 个 in there and people will get it. Alright, and then the last line is 总算唱完. 总算 is kind of like finally. And then 唱 means to sing and 完 means finished. So finish singing. So basically that line means, finally, finish singing it. Finally we finished singing it. I finished singing it. Whatever. Again, no pronouns because a lot of Chinese just kind of eschews the pronoun. So we've got 这首歌非常短. This song is very short. 希望你会喜欢. Hope you like it. 21个字, 21 words, 总算唱完. Finally, we're done singing it. And that, my friends, is the short song. Until we sing again, 再见.